In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language and auto-dubbing settings in YouTube. If you've ever clicked on a video and wished the audio matched your preferred language, this walkthrough is for you. We will keep it simple and make sure you understand exactly what to look for and how to switch between available options. Start by opening the video you want to watch on YouTube. You can do this on your phone, your computer, or even a tablet. Let the video start playing so the player controls appear. It helps to pause for a moment so you can make selections without missing anything. Next, open the settings menu. This is the small gear icon on the video player. On desktop, it sits along the bottom of the video, and on mobile you will see it in the player controls. Often after you tap the screen, the settings menu contains the features you will use to customize playback, including quality, subtitles, and, for our purpose today, audio. Inside the settings menu, look for the option labeled audio track. This is where YouTube lists the audio languages that the creator or platform has made available for that specific video. Sometimes you'll see a mix of human-recorded dubs and auto-dubbed tracks. Auto-dubbing uses AI-generated voiceovers to translate the original audio. Depending on the video, it can vary in voice style and accuracy. If you don't see an audio track option, it simply means the video only has its original audio and no alternative language tracks have been provided. Now, choose your preferred language from the list. You'll usually see the original language noted clearly, along with any additional languages. The moment you select one, the video will switch to that track almost immediately. If you are comparing options, feel free to toggle between languages to find the one that sounds most natural to you. Here is no need to restart the video. Your choice applies right away and only affects the video you are watching now. A couple of tips as you go: if the dialogue timing feels slightly different, that's normal with dubbed tracks, especially auto-dubbed ones. Also, if the volume balance changes with a new language, use your device's volume controls to get comfortable levels. And remember, you can return to the original language at any time by opening settings again and selecting the original track. That's it. Thanks for watching.